second day of the monsoon session in the Lok Sabha has been a washout. We are looking at the situation where the Lok Sabha has now been adjourned till 11 a.m. on the 22nd of July. That is day after tomorrow, being the festival of Eid, where we are looking at the parliament proceedings will not be taking place. But today, following several disruption in both houses of parliament, especially in the Lok Sabha, now what we are getting to know that Lok Sabha has now been adjourned till the 22nd of July, 11 a.m. onwards. We'll be looking at when the Parliament will reconvene, especially looking at the lower house of the Parliament that for now has been adjourned. Now, the monsoon session, the minute it began yesterday onwards, we're looking at even as the Prime Minister's address that was interrupted several times, even as the adjournments continue to take place, owing to the chaos that was being created on part of the opposition parties, entering the well of the house there as non-stop sloganeering and ruckus was taking place. And after multiple adjournments, the minute today the Lok Sabha reconvened, only to be adjourned in a matter of seconds. Let me go across to our senior executive editor, Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek, second day in the Lok Sabha, complete washout again. Abhishek, if you can hear me, well, we are getting to know that the Lok Sabha has now been adjourned. There was no business transaction that happened today again. All right, Abhishek is unable to hear me. We will quickly reconnect that line. But what we are getting to know that the Lok Sabha has now been adjourned amid the din that was created by the opposition parties on the floor of the House. Though the Rajya Sabha we're getting to know is still on, but it was on the important lines of several of those issues that were being taken up by the opposition parties regarding the Snoopgate controversy, even the farmer issue and the fuel prices, and on COVID-19 vaccination. What is being said that the Prime Minister himself will be speaking on the issue, but the Lok Sabha has now been adjourned till the 22nd of July, 11 a.m.